I've been seeing a lot of recipes for the quiche, wrap quiche. Should we try it this morning? Bill's taking the kids to school, so I figured, well, let's make something for us so we can have breakfast together before he has to go to sleep. He's on night shift this weekend, every weekend, so I don't get to be with him the rest of the weekend, but whatever. Okay, so pan, spray, wrap. Then we go get some eggs. Put 2 eggs in each one. Oh, so I gotta use 2 hands around here. So this is what it looks like. I just feel like they need another egg. Let's do 3 eggs. Spanish chickens, and they have mini eggs, so maybe since it only called for 2, let's do 1 more egg. Oh my gosh, y'all. I think I might want to throw some veggies in here too. I got some stuff. Trying to be quick so it's ready by the time he gets back from dropping off the kids, but no promises here. It doesn't have a thing. Okay. I was hoping this would be easy, but I'm really making it a lot more than it should be. Every good recipe needs an onion. That's what my grandma said. Always start with the peppers and the onions. And garlic. But I don't want no garlic in my eggs on it. Onion. I scared the baby. Yes, chef. We got some tomatoes from the garden. Look how cute it is. Bad idea. Its juices are everywhere. This is what I get for rushing. Let's use some of these. Why am I doing this to myself? Okay. We'll clean it up later. We'll get it in the oven first. Let's do a little bell pepper. It was a white elephant gift exchange for Christmas, and my cousin stole my Starbucks gift card, Cass. So I had to steal something from somebody else. My other cousin, Chase, he had this veggie chopper. I was like, homeboy ain't gonna use that veggie chopper. I'm gonna use that veggie chopper. So I stole this veggie chopper from my cousin. I honestly adore it. Use it to chop everything now. Ready, 1, 2, 3. I think that's it. Dollops of our veggies in there. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't have cottage cheese. I don't like cottage cheese. Sour cream. Just like a little dollop. Who doesn't love sour cream, honestly? Salt and pepper. Pep, salt, cheese. Mix. 400. Let's see how long it takes. You're just as delicious as these eggs are going to be. Tough crowd. This tough crowd ain't so tough, is it? Save these for later. It's been 10 minutes and it's still a little jiggly, so let's give it like 15. This is perfect timing. He just pulled in. Look how cute he is. Isn't he so cute? Here's how it looks. They came out good. They look like little pizzas. Do you need to cut yours or no? I'm gonna slice mine.
We'll see how.
I probably could use a pizza slicer, but you don't need to get up there.
Yep, I will definitely use that knife.
We're having a date.
We're having a date.
I'm so excited.
A breakfast date. You ready?
Should we cheers?
Cheers. Oh, hot. That was really good.
I will make this again.
Yeah,
I think the kids will like it.
definitely.
All right, some salsa. Do you want salsa or no?
It's sweet. What'd you put in it? Sriracha. Good. Good date. Thanks, babe.
Love
Love you.
Love you.